Sample 18. Hello there. Mr. English is here with a highly informative video about Ielts writing module. In this video you will learn how to write task 2 step by step. Watch this video till end and give your feedback. Here we go. 9 bands essay sample with tips and tricks. Topic. Counties such as China, India, and Japan have unsustainable population growths. In fact, many experts are of the opinion that the population explosion, which is now a very worrying concern, is the most serious threat to life on this planet. Give some suggestions to address this problem. Introduction. It is true that the population explosion which has taken place over the last century, is a very serious problem. One of the main reasons for this unacceptable population growth is a lack of understanding about the environment. Overpopulation is the major reason for water, soil, and air pollution. It is also often the cause of starvation and even wars. Experts have put forward many suggestions to address this problem. The following are just a few of these. First body paragraph. The most important weapon we have to fight population growth is education. This should start at a very early age, i.e. before children even go to school. TV cartoons and children's programs can be used to educate the very young. At high school level, students can be taught about the problem more directly. At university level, scholarships should be made available to students who wish to study further in this field. International exchange groups may also help to increase awareness. Second body paragraph. Another important means of controlling population growth is to disadvantage people who have more than 1 or 2 children. This can be done, as it is in China, by means of a higher tax. Although it is controversial, persons who come forward to be sterilized could be given a sum of money. It may also be possible to make it advantageous for people to have only 1 child by giving such couples a special tax deduction. Conclusion. It should also be possible to make contraception devices free to the public and easily obtainable. This problem is a very difficult one to address, but we should make every effort to do so. There are many other problems which are related to overpopulation, such as increasing crime, illiteracy, and pollution. So by addressing one problem we would be addressing the others as well.
Hopefully you have enjoyed the video. For more videos please like, share and comment videos on my YouTube channel Free Ielts Essential.